how to dry a towel for dummies. First of all, you need two people, okay? Basically, you're gonna grab it on this end, and your partner's gonna grab it on the other end. And what you want to do, is you want to get a firm, tight grip, all right? And you want to grip it with this hand, and with your other hand, you just want to circle it. Circle it. See how it's turning?
Yeah, hook that.
See how it's turning perfectly?
Whoa, man, this is
See,
crazy.
Do it the opposite way, though, of your partner.
No, man, I got your too.
It's gonna get tighter. And basically, you want to slide all the water off.
You want to slide in an up and down motion, right?
In the up and down motion, most males know this. Most males know what I'm talking about. There we go. There we go. We're getting all that water out. Getting all the juice.
I think you need to get a tighter grip when you go up,
Yeah,
when you slide up.
You got to spread out a little bit.
Gotta get,
There you go.
stand your ground. Yeah, there we go.
I think. And this, let's see. Let's see now. End result. Obviously, it is drier than what it was before. That is how we do this.